What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're looking at the new 48-inch Big Red high lift jack. I wanted to get one of these for a while because I got some things I have to lift up pretty high, and I just wanted to do a video kind of showing the intricacies of this one and how it's built so you guys can get an idea if this is something you want to buy. It seems to be pretty solid all the way throughout. This is a 3-ton high lift, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it as well, but I do just want to kind of show off some of the angles and whatnot so you can make a educated decision. The reversing lever is right here. This is what basically you flip to go into reverse or not. Try to do it one-handed here. It's going to be a little difficult. I'll demonstrate it though on video. Right now it's in reverse. Comes with a pretty nice long lever. Feels very, very solid and sturdy. Here's a look at the box. So alright, so I think in summary with this thing, I think it's pretty awesome. It's definitely got the lifting power you need. Is it the most graceful jack in the world? No. Is it the safest jack in the world? Definitely not. But it'll definitely get you out of a bind. This is a pretty controlled environment where I'm using it here. Just a typical 2x6 across 2 joists to jack it up on this wood floor here. But if you're out rock crawling and you need to get your wheels up over a rut, or you got yourself kind of stuck, this is definitely something good to have in a pinch. It's definitely well made. I definitely think that it would stand the test of time and definitely take a beating. The whole thing is made out of steel, which is nice. But like I said, it's not the most sturdy thing in the world, and especially if you're lifting on something that's off center. So if you're lifting off to the side and you're coming up, you really have to be mindful that you're basically creating an off-centered pivot point, so the jack would have the opportunity to sway to one side or the other, causing injury. So definitely be mindful of that. But I think all in all, this jack's going to be pretty nice. It's going to be a good tool to have in the shop, and definitely I think Big Red Jacks, Torin Big Red Jacks, has a pretty good reputation out there. So I appreciate you guys watching. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll get you in the next video.